Pinapol na naman ni Patrick Orbe, pangatlong rider galing na pagpato ng San Fernando La Union, ang birthday boy natin. Pang-apat is McLean Aguilar, and fifth is Piping Man from Tawi-Tawi. Ayan si Ado, no, ang ating team na Opico Ado Disipulo. Alright, white flag coming up for Jacob Orbe. Ayan sa likuran ni Jacob. Parang baktan si Jacob Orbe. And Patrick. Ayan na si Patrick. Orbe. Ayan. Nag-represent pa, expert. Nakailan na got the third position. At panglima si Piping Mar ng first Tawi-Tawi. And number 1, Jules Arada Bandigan, Doy-Doy Bandigan. Okay, susunod na ating executive rather novice, after the novice, executive C, veteran C. So mag-checker na.
Welcome to the beans. Copico, your coffee specialist, presents Copico Aztec 3-in-1, stronger and richer coffee.
Hoy! Ayan na! Ayan na! Patrick! Nakuha pa ni Patrick! Nagpangalawa na ang dalawang magkapatid! Ayan na! Coming up to the checker flag! It's Jacob, Patrick, and Delsoco! Yes! Love it! Nice ride with Jacob and Patrick Orbe. Dalawang magkapatid from San Fernando La Union. Team Benan and Access. Go, go.